Hi, I'm Lloyd,
And I'm Nelson.
and welcome to our first Ask Me Anything.
Hi Lacey, thanks for the question. My dream car is a Bugatti Veyron. I will never be able to drive one, but I look forward to the challenge one day.
Yeah. It's a great question, Lacey. My dream car would be kind of multifaceted, I think. If I had to choose a production car, I love the CTSV, Cadillac CTSV. Blackwing Edition would be fantastic. Four-door car, but still goes really fast. If I could do anything, I would love to do a resto mod on like an old pickup truck, but that would be my answer.
What kind of pickup truck?
Like an old square body Chevy, 60s, 70s, somewhere in there.
Okay. Oh, and let us know in the comments what your dream car is.
It is a great question, and we get that often. The best answer is yes, you really should service your transmission, even if a manufacturer says that you shouldn't. Fluid is a petroleum-based product, if you will. They're synthetic-based products, but they will break down over time. Normal use, heavy use, all different kinds of driving characteristics, the fluid will break down, much like your engine oil. You don't go 100,000 miles or never change your engine oil and filter. It's similar with transmission fluid, although it lasts a lot longer. It does still need to be serviced. It prolongs the life, and it gives you opportunity to potentially avoid much more costly repairs.
With our hands. Lloyd, why don't you take this one?
Yeah, another great question. Manual transmissions are definitely different than automatic transmissions. And for manual transmission, it would simply be a drain and fill. There's going to be a drain plug, there's going to be a fill plug. The way a manual transmission is constructed, it uses a sling effect to lubricate. So as the internals rotate around, it literally slings fluid up onto the internal components. And then that creates a lubrication effect. And so you remove the drain plug, the fluid drains out, plug that back up, fill it up, and that completes the service for a manual transmission.
By and large, it's a simple process compared to an automatic transmission or CVT transmission service.
Yeah.
Manual transmissions don't have filters inside of them either, right?
No.
Okay. Just mechanical components spinning around.
And that's not to say, because see, you could get into another verbiage of automatically shifted manual transmissions. A lot of times those are dual shift gearboxes. Some of those may have filters, but a traditional manual transmission doesn't have filters.
Right. Well, thank you everyone for joining us for our first Ask Me Anything session. More to come. We'll get better at this and not be so awkward. Good job.
You as well.